How to unlock account on Twitter. In this video guys, I'll show you how to unlock your account. As you can see now, here is my account. Here it says your account has been locked. So now I will show you step by step on how to unlock your account if you are having this problem on your Twitter account. First of all, after you open up your Twitter X like this now, here it says what you can do to unlock your Twitter account. You must follow, as you can see now, the following. So here tap on this start button. So in this section, as you can see now, here it says authenticate your account. Here it says we need to make sure that you are real person. So all you have to do now, tap on this authenticate button to authenticate you are real person, not robot. So as you can see now, here it will just give you this option. Make sure you just go ahead now and solve this problem. Here is S and here is this icon. All you have to do now, make sure now you, as you can see now, you can use these two arrows. As you can see now, these two arrows to align this person. As you can see now, this person to align him with this, as you can see now, icon. All you have to do now, you can tap on this. As you can see now, you can tap on this arrow to change the person. So as you can see now, I'm changing now the person. So as you can see now, here is what it needs. So now I must, now here is the icon, this one, and here is S. So now I'll make sure that this S is set with this icon and this person is set with the, as you can see now, with the icon. Here is it now, here is the person and here is S and here is the icon. So now I'll tap on this submit button. You can use just this arrow to align them. As you can see now, you can use this arrow just to align them. After you finish aligning the way as you can see, it says match this. So tap on the submit button. So as you can see now, here it says you have proven you are not you are a human. So as you can see now, account unlock. So now my account has been unlocked. So I'll tap on this continue to X button. So as you can see now, my account has been unlocked. So that's it guys on how to unlock your X account if you have been locked. That's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.